Hello friends, I am Partho. Welcome to SV Tech videos. This was my first video on project video series. Today I am making 9 volt DC source from our domestic 220 volt AC supply. For this I required some components. Okay. For this I required some components. Firstly, I required a transformer. Here I use a transformer of rating 220 volt by 15015 volt. 15015 means it has 3 tapping on low voltage side. Okay, it has 3 tapping, 1 2 3 tapping on low voltage side, and so it can able to give two 15 volt AC supply as well as a 30 volt AC supply. For 30 volt AC we have to connect wire to these two pins. One is this, another is this. Okay, for 30 volt supply. And in market you can get it in around rupees 80 to 85 or in $1.2. I provide link for this product in description below. If you don't want to buy it, then go to your home and search for any faulty emergency light. Inside that you can easily get this kind of transformer like 909 or 15015, this kind of transformers. Okay, our next component we have to use is diode. Okay, I use IN4007 power diode which can sustain up to 1 kV or 1000 volt. Imagine how much it is powerful. Okay, then we required some wires. Okay, then our voltage regulator IC. As I make 9 volt DC supply, for that I required LM7809 IC. Okay, you can see in focus. Okay, LM, this is TK7809. okay, this is a 9 volt voltage regulator, and if you want to make 5 volt DC supply, use it, that is 7805. If you want to make 12 volt DC supply, then use 7812 in this kind of IC. Okay, then we required a soldering iron. Okay, let's make it in focus. A soldering iron, then some spool of solder, then soldering paste or flux. And lastly, I required a breadboard like this. Okay. Now we have to concentrate on circuit. We are basically making a bridge rectifier circuit. So first draw it. Firstly, our AC source, that is 220 volt domestic AC source. And it passes through a transformer. Okay. And this is a step down transformer, so turns on the secondary side or low voltage side is low. This is a 3 tapping transformer. The one is 15 volt, 0 volt, 15 volt. Okay. Now we know we don't require this point, we only require 2 points, 0 volt point and 15 volt point. Okay. Now here we get 15 volt AC. Okay. Now our bridge rectifier circuit. Yeah, this is a symbol of diode. You can know, I think. Okay. Okay, so input we give here in this point 1, and in this point, and output we give getting from these 2 points. Okay, one is this, another is this. We basically get 15 volt DC supply, around 15 volt, not proper 15 volt. Okay, so around 15 volt. Here we get around 15 volt. Okay, now our LM 7809 IC looks like that. Here is 3 pins. Okay, input, in this side we get input. Okay, and middle pin is ground pin, so connect here. So in this point we give around 15 volt. Okay, and then in output side we get 9 volt DC. Okay, this is minus, this is plus, this is input, this is output. Okay, so our circuit is completed and let's make it. So from the circuit diagram we can easily know that firstly from transformer we have to get an 15-volt supply, 15-volt AC supply. Then by use the bridge rectifier circuit, this is our bridge rectifier circuit. Bridge rectifier circuit, and we change it to 15-volt DC by the help of LM7809 IC. We get an 9-volt DC supply. So now let's make the whole circuit. Firstly, I have to solder wire in this transformer. Okay, and safety is the first priority, so make sure that you are not in touch with ground. Okay, now let's start. Okay, it is done. I took from this 2 pin 15-volt AC and in here I gave 220-volt AC supply. Now I have to make my bridge rectifier circuit. Okay, rectifier circuit I have already make it. Okay, I have already make it. These are two output pins, the red wire and the green wire in my output pins, and these two pins where no wire is connected is our input pin. Okay, in here we connect 15-volt AC. Okay, now I have to connect 15-volt AC in here. So let's took this 15-volt AC. Okay, for this I have to clear this conductor. Okay, now I can connect this wire to input pin of this bridge rectifier circuit. You can easily connect this. And no need to think about what is positive pin or what is negative pin. Just connect anyone because it is AC supply. Okay, now you can see that I am connected in here two input pins, that is 15 volt AC, and these are two output pins. Okay. Ah, that's my mistake. Okay. Now for connecting this output of bridge rectifier, I use this breadboard. Okay. Okay, this is our two output pins. Let's connect one here. One here. Another in here. Okay. Okay. Now this is our 78. This is our 7809 IC. Okay. Now put it here. This is our negative pin and red one is our positive pin. So input is connected here like this. Okay. Now output. So from here you get output. So I use these wires, this red wire and this yellow wire. Okay. Now let's connect this red wire in the positive pin. Okay, in positive pin I use this red wire. Okay, red wire, then yellow wire is in the negative pin or ground pin. Okay, so you can see that in here this is the input, this is ground, this is our output, and ground up bridge circuit is connected to the middle pin of this 7809 IC. Okay, now let's check how much voltage is coming here. Okay, and safety is the first priority, so make sure that you are not in touch with ground. Okay, I need domestic AC supply. For this I use my board. Okay, for checking how much voltage is generated in our DC. Okay, you can see my multimeter is connected, and I just use this probe. Okay, now switch it on. Boom. 7.442, you see, means it is quite loose. Seven point four. $7.5. So we are getting around 7.4, 7.43. It's I think it's my multimeter's fault. Okay, so by this way you can make this kind of project. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give thumbs up, do share with your friends, and if you want to see more interesting video like this, subscribe to my channel and keep watching.